Well, we're back here at Fulton, Missouri. It's a few miles that way at Serenity Valley Winery, and this is a harvest host site. Last night we had some friends we just met over there. They're from Washington, D.C. Got to spend some time with them, and other than that, just the two of us this time. Oh, there is one across the lake. If you have a generator, they will try to split you up if they can. So you don't have to hear their noise. So a beautiful place. We were here a week ago, and one thing I like about this place is right there you can see the Milky Way. So last night I did some more Milky Way imaging. 30% moon, which is more than I want, but you just sort of wait till the moon's out of the way. And we had some clouds, a storm threatening. So I did get some. I like to have no clouds in my Milky Way pictures, but sometimes it adds something to it. So I got some of my rig, their lake with their house, and then where their sign is. So, but I'm still pretty pleased with what we got. So we're in no big rush today. We have another harvest host as we head back home, and this is Tuscan Valley Winery that we're going to be going to this afternoon, 3.5 hours away. Short trip in Effingham, Illinois, and they have a restaurant, and actually they're going to have live music tonight, so we're excited about that. And then we're going to the next day go to Rantoul, Illinois for a runaway camper rally, and so it's for owners and former owners. I think we're the only former owners there, but a lot of people know me because of my YouTube videos about runaway campers. So anyway, we were very comfortable last night. It's been hot, but it cooled off great. And Susie always has on a couple blankets. I had a sheet, and I actually could have had more, but I was filming from about 1 o'clock until 3. So, highly recommend this place.
Hi, Susie here. I'm hot and sweaty. I'm going to try this new shower curtain by Explorer Outfitters.
And Susie made the shower box there with Flex Seal and a shower pan. We have a drain that goes to a gray tank, and we're all set. And that's all I'm going to film about this. We'll see what
today I'm just going to rinse off with water.
Right, we've got a 12-volt pump, but she's just going to do nice and easy.
Yeah.
Thanks, Explorer Outfitters. Do it again. Well, that's my wife inside our Explorer Outfitters shower curtain. And today she's doing it nice and easy. We're not using our 12-volt pump. She's just old school. Got a big cup of water and just rinsing off. And how's it feel, my dear?
It's cold.
You might need to heat it up next time. I mean, it's warm weather, that's for sure. It's probably getting close to 80, but it's a game changer, isn't it?
Yep.
Rinsing off.
Taking cold showers.
Nice and dramatic there. So anyway, we're excited to have this with a Flex Seal, waterproofing in the box, a shower curtain, and a drain below that goes to a gray tank. Great solution on the road. So like I said, we were here a week ago, and tonight Effingham, and then Friday and Saturday at the rally. Sunday morning we'll head home. We might go to a nearby church. We'll see how that goes. And so I'll be doing like a review of this trip, the first trip after making more tweaks to the camper. So what are we considering? Well, we wish we had brought the Zero Breeze Mark II portable air conditioner, because that would have been nice a couple of times. And we have some ideas about putting it in the shower box and running hoses and sending out the cold, because it will fit. So we think that's all we would have needed the time or two that we got a bit warm. I'm already researching a rooftop air conditioner, a low profile one, and they make one that has a heat pump too. So those are a couple things that I'm thinking about. I still want to make it easier for me to get to the battery where I have my fuse block. Thinking about making an access so I can reach it from behind. It's not that big a deal, but we're thinking about that. Everything else seems to have been working real well. I'm sure Susie's got an idea or two about some things, but overall, we're really happy with how the van is working, and I'm going to say it many times, I love not towing. I know I can just pull into any place and not have any issues. So for me, that it was a big issue, even though if you're going to tow something, runaway is one of the easiest to tow for sure. So I'll talk to you more later, maybe at Tuscan Winery.